Okay, this is a USB Type A to USB Type Micro Type B cable. 2 meters in length. It's designed for very high speed data transfers of up to 5 gigabits per second, and it is used in conjunction with and to be connected with very high speed modern data devices such as external hard drives and mobile phones, capable of transferring large bundles of data in very little time, obviously depending upon how much data is being transferred. And yeah, so I've got my USB Type A version 3 here connected to my USB port on my laptop, and I've got the Type B micro side, and I'm going to connect this to my external hard drive, just like connecting a cable to anything. As you can see, I connect that there to my external hard drive. Simple as that, and I'm now ready to transfer my data from my hard drive to my laptop in very little time. So okay, that's it now. Keep an eye out on my description and any other future videos on other related cables. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.